What's going on, YouTube? This is going to be the big unboxing. Shout out to TCL for sending this over to me for review. I didn't expect all this, so I really appreciate it. I only expected the TCL 20 Pro 5G, but I got this big old box instead. So once again, shout out to TCL. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this box open and see what all I have in this box. Unedited, unscripted. This is just the way it's going. I'm outdoors too. I was just on the barbecue grill. I'll go ahead and cut this open. Got a lot of tape on this box, so I'm pretty excited to see what TCL has sent me. I got a notification this morning that it was delivered by FedEx. They delivered it to Walgreens. That's where I decided to have it delivered to. So wow, this is a pretty nice big old box. So here we have TCL 20 Pro 5G. Open up to elevate your vision. So this is pretty nice. Wow, check that out. It's windy outside. That's beautiful. It's very windy outside. Go ahead and open this up and see what else we have in this box. Oh wow, check that out. So we have looks like a care package right here. TCL care package. So we have, turn this around, a very nice North Face backpack. TCL, and then on the bottom it says Dino on there. Very nice. We have Elevate Your Vision again. This probably gives me a little bit more information on the TCL 20 Pro 5G. We're gonna come back later and do a more depth review of the device, but let's see what we got so far in this package. Oh, check it out, a face mask. TCL face mask. We got TCL, I guess it's the hand sanitizer. Very nice, I appreciate that. Wow, this thing is nice. So here is the backpack. TCL, we got the box. Let me sort of clear this stuff out real quick. I got all this stuff. Wow, TCL really hooked me up this time. I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside the backpack right here. North Face. I got this, I'm doing it one-handed, no tripod, no nothing. This is strictly unedited, unscripted. Holy moly. Holy moly. So we have a lot of stuff in here, man. I'm super excited. Check this out. Insect bite relief, insect repellent, after sun spray, and SPF 30 sunscreen spray. Wow, very nice. Then we have this big jug container. It has a music symbol. Wow, we're gonna have to check this out. Has a music symbol on it. Ooh. Does this play music? I could really use this when I go on my bike rides. I normally use my headphones, but it'd be nice. Let me check this out. It's like a big old thermos with a speaker. Wow. Interesting. We're gonna have to check that out. But for right now, I'm just doing a little unboxing, seeing what's in this package. And then we have Cedar Creek Outdoors. What is this? Batteries? Oh, flashlight. Awesome. Check that out. TCL branded flashlight. Appreciate that. And here go the batteries that just fell out. I could definitely use all this stuff, believe it or not. And then we have, what is this? Executive Power Bank. TCL Executive Power Bank. Let's check this out. I'm gonna have to put my phone down for that. Okay, hold on. Here's the box. Oh, this is nice. TCL. Is that suction cups? That is very interesting. USB Type-C. I'm gonna have separate unboxing for this one. Appreciate that. And then we have, what is this? Accessorize case for the TCL 20 Pro 5G dual layer double coach. Very nice. Appreciate that. And then we have more stuff still. What is this? Oh, we have a TCL. Is this a utility knife? Utility knife on deck? Wow. I'm super excited, man. They did me good this year. And then we have the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Exciting stuff right here, man. I can't wait to do separate videos on all these products. I am definitely digging the backpack though. North Face. A lot of pockets. It's pretty big. I like that. Shout out to TCL. I appreciate you. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up on the TCL 20 Pro and all that goodness. We out.